Greetings to ARDN, Dr. Jibril, United Nations, all the excellencies, colleagues, and everyone listening to me. I greet you from a beautiful country of South Africa. I am Professor Ahluwalia, the Chief Executive Officer of Higher Health, an entity of South African government, engaging on most difficult issues facing African continent and maybe human survival or human civilization in total. We're challenging difficult issues like gender-based violence in South Africa. We're challenging HIV and AIDS, pandemics like TB, sexual reproductive health, unplanned pregnancies, teenage pregnancies. We're challenging drugs and alcohol abuse that changes young people's lives. We're challenging poverty. We're challenging transformation. We're challenging civic values. Our humans have to survive, and the only way we can survive is if we're all together, all united. Our survival is in question. I'm sure there are many debates in United Nations around our human survival, climate change. But issues of gender-based violence is in our control. All these diseases are in our control. GBV is a pandemic that affects all of us, including South Africa. We commit to ARDN's global relaunch of the Red Card campaign. We are very proud to issue these red cards to anyone who discriminates from one human to the other human, who discriminates on the name of gender-based violence, gender equality, patriarchy, toxic masculinities. We have to challenge them for the betterment of us as humans. We in South Africa suffer a lot with this pandemic. We need ARDN collaboration with United Nations to fight this menace. A menace that from generations, centuries have grappled our communities. Our Tata Mandela, who's our father of our nation, Madiba, as you all know him, told us, education is prevention. So education, education, education. We have to build Africa through education. We have to build humans through education. Higher Health pledges its complete commitment to United Nations and ARDN, to United Nations Women, on the relaunch of the Red Campaign. We promise you that 2.5 million young people in South Africa who are part of Higher Health family, who are in our post-school system, who are learning skills, who are becoming new generation of economic workers in our universities, in our vocational systems, in our community systems, will pledge with us in transforming South Africa and Southern Africa. I speak on behalf of Southern Africa as Higher Health imprints into Southern Africa. We are going to put this as part of the core curriculum for every young student to learn gender equality, gender-based violence, gender diversity, toxic masculinity as part of their growth. This is a soft skill that Higher Health and the government of South Africa pledges to ensure its citizens understand and get educated on such dreadful diseases. With that note, colleagues, I really thank you for the opportunity provided to myself, amongst all of you. Wish on one day I physically address this in front of all of you in United Nations. And thank you, Dr. Jibril and ARDN, for ensuring that this campaign becomes a global campaign and we all pledge a Red Card campaign with you against all forms of discrimination and especially gender-based violence. I thank you all.